Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Tor browser on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Tor browser. Look for the app with the onion icon. Then install it on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app and tap Connect. Tor browser will establish a secure, encrypted connection to the Tor network. After the connection is complete, the browser will open automatically. When you launch Tor browser for the first time, you'll be asked to choose a security level. For most users, the standard setting is the best option because it provides a good balance between security and website compatibility. You can now browse the web normally or use the built-in DuckDuckGo search engine to search for websites, including .onion sites if you already know their addresses or have trusted sources for them. While browsing, always be careful. Not all websites on the Tor network are safe or trustworthy, so avoid downloading unknown files, sharing personal information, or visiting suspicious links. Tor browser is designed to improve privacy and anonymity online, so it's best used responsibly and only for legal purposes. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.